Okay, Google. Give me an example of a chemical change.
That's cheating. I made grown adults take a 5th grade science test. Some of them tried to be shady. But anyways, let's see how they did.
I'm back in the hot seat.
So today, you are going to take a 5th grade science test.
Is there math?
It's science.
Okay, we'll try it out.
You mean from like the sun counting outward?
Yeah.
Venus.
Venus. Venus.
Venus. Was that right?
Yeah.
By time?
Metamorphic rocks.
Time going by?
Volcanoes?
Metamorphic are rocks that get shaped by water.
Plate tectonics?
That's my guess.
Okay.
I know there's that or pressure, but I'm gonna go with the water.
Like you're talking about dirt, and then there's water mixed, and then in the middle there's lava.
Okay, can I get A or B or C or D?
Air.
I don't know, like the crust layer, like the... Who knows? The mantle.
You cheated.
No, I didn't. Okay, how could I cheat?
Closest to the crust, I have no clue. I'm just gonna take a shot in the dark, say geothermal, whatever that means.
How much air?
That's easy, 21%.
You cheated.
No, I did not. I don't know, million, I don't know,
Percentage.
percentage. I don't know, it's 50. Let's throw 50. Let's see what that does to me.
Like percentage, I'm gonna say 30%.
100%.
Steve cheated and looked up the test before he did it.
Oh,
No, I didn't.
Yeah, he did.
I went to Google. I was on it for 2 minutes.
No, yeah, because the first thing that I
but
clicked.
you still tried to look it up.
No, yeah, and then we looked down his search history, and the exact same test was on it.
What is ocean salt?
It evaporates, it dries up, and it becomes salt.
The currents? I don't know.
Oh, like why is the water salty?
The ocean.
Shifting plates?
That's a good one. Never thought of that. The bottom of the ocean is salty.
A kingdom? Like a country?
Kingdoms of life?
What are you talking about?
Oh, animal.
Food, air, water.
The animal kingdom?
Maple?
Oak tree.
Poplar. Is this all reptiles or is it specific to a small group?
Increase their blood pressure? I don't know.
They hibernate.
Do they sunbathe on dark surfaces? Such as a rock? Sunbathe. Fish do it. True fact, I've seen it. They don't go out of the water, they go in shallow water. Like a pike or something like that, and they just chill out in the sun. Toss your lure out there, you crank some lips.
Ice melting.
Water going from a liquid to a solid.
Gas. When it burns.
Burning a piece of wood. I know they call it like seismic activity, but I don't know the device would be called
Is there options?
No idea.
I think it starts with a T.
I don't like to give up easy, so you're gonna have to do a lot of editing. I'm gonna go with seismic. I'm just gonna go with the seismic activity reader. Reptiles hibernate?
Yes! The layer of the Earth located closest to the crust is the upper mantle.
Like, I'm gonna know that.
Metamorphic rocks come from pre-existing rocks, and they're transformed by heat, pressure, or chemically reactive waters.
See?
So yeah.
Should've went with you. Wait, water?
Yeah, like, but the answer is basically they come from other rocks. The pre-existing rocks are affected by heat, pressure, and water to make new rocks.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't know why I feel so good getting 5th grader questions right.
Okay, you know that if we breathed 100% oxygen, we would all die. It's 21%.
That's it?
Yes.
Oh.
So like when it rains, it causes ions to form, like sodium and chloride. So then that mixes together to become salt, and it flows into oceans from the rain. So it rains, and the rain picks up ions that turn into salt and goes into the ocean.
Why doesn't it go into lakes? Freshwater lakes.
Good question. So the 5 major kingdoms of life, one is Monera, Prostata, Plantae, Animalia, and Fungi.
Do
it's
you know all that?
Animals, plants, mushrooms,
Do you know all that?
stuff like that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
A deciduous tree is a tree where its foliage falls to the ground in the fall.
I knew that.
Okay, so you got 3.
Yes!
But you still failed. You failed your 5th grade science test.
That was a very long time ago.
3 out of 10.
Phew, not bad.
You could ask me other broad questions of science and I'm sure I'll do well, but those specific ones, no.
You got 5 out of 10.
That's crap.
It's a pass.
50% is a pass?
Yeah.
For grade 5.
Examples of chemical changes include combustion, cooking an egg, rusting of an iron pan, and mixing hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide to make salt and water.
Rust is one of them.
Did you say Russ?
I did.
You're the only one that passed.
How do grade 5 people know this? That doesn't make any sense. You got this off of like university PhD tests.
All right, thanks for participating. You're the only one that technically passed. So your prize is a high 5. Because I'm poor and can't afford a real prize.
Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello A-Teamers and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it because I love putting people on the spot when it's not me. But let's be real though, I probably wouldn't have gotten any of those questions right myself. It was hard enough for me to explain the answers when I had them sitting right in front of me. All right, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.